Hi, I'm Phil Adams, the Nova Tool Specialist at Pan American Tool. Today's topic is the proper care and maintenance of Nova pneumatic tools. Nova tools are a complete line of high-quality, competitively priced pneumatic tools, primarily for the aviation and aerospace industries, along with automotive and other industries where pneumatic tools are used. Some of the problems I see when tools are sent in for repair is that they're either under-oiled or over-oiled. Under-oiling can cause corrosion internally, and over-oiling can cause premature failure and drastically reduce the tool life and performance. Compressed air causes moisture vapors in the air lines, and the vapors can build up in the tool's internal components. Pneumatic tool oil is used to combat this issue. It prevents the vapors from collecting and causing corrosion inside of the tool. Although many people think that oil is used to increase performance, its primary use is to prevent corrosion. It's a good practice to oil the tool before it's put away for storage. 1 or 2 drops should be applied to the air inlet, and then the tool should be run for 10 to 20 seconds to allow the oil to coat the internal components. This creates a barrier between the metals and the moisture vapors. Typically doing this at the end of each workday for the first 2 to 3 weeks is ideal. Then I would recommend oiling after 8 to 10 hours of runtime. Over-oiling can create oil buildup inside the tools, which can reduce the performance by inhibiting the internal components from moving freely. The internal vanes need to move easily in and out of the rotor to work properly. Over-oiling, especially when using inline oilers, can create these problems if they're feeding oil to the air tool constantly. Another issue we've often seen is that impurities in the air compressor can be drawn into the tool. These impurities can adhere to the tip valve, and this inhibits the trigger from fully returning to the neutral position. This will keep the drill slowly turning even after the trigger has been released. To avoid this, we suggest using inline filters in the compressed air supply. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at panamericantool.com. We're here to help.